So time is nearly 4:45 and it's 31st August and we are meeting after a very long time. So I know there's a lot to catch up and I hope this video makes to the YouTube. So yeah, we're going to a special place and we're already running late and nothing else. You might see something new on the way. Bye. So by now we would have known where we are going and we'll be riding around 100 kilometers one way. So that's the update for now. And the time is 4:45 and it's a bit dark, so we'll start it once it gets bright. So time is 6:25 and we have reached Kanakapura toll, the first one, and we have come about 20 kilometers odds and 70 kilometers left. So it shows 1 hour 20 minutes more. We'll be reaching there by 6:45, but let's see, are we gonna take the same time or not? It's not opening up fully. The time is currently 6:16 and we have another about half an hour to go. There are two routes in suggestion. One is 32 kilometers long and one is 19 kilometers, but it goes a bit inside. I'm going to take the shorter route. If it doesn't work out, I'll come back in the highway itself. I think that's the safest bit. Okay, continue in the next part. Hydroelectric project. So we are near the Gaganachukki. So we correctly reached it. The time is 6:50. We started at 4:50 from Getaway hospital and we reached here. So the location's name is Shivanasamudra, but to come to the right viewpoint you have to put in the map as Gaganachukki viewpoint. That's how it comes. And the view, it's so great. So there's a viewpoint where we'll be going right now, and here's a parking. There's a proper parking and people are already here. Let's explore around and see what and all we can find out. So that is Shivanasamudra Waterfalls, and now we are at Gaganachukki viewpoint. From there is where you can see the waterfalls, and there's another side where people are looking. Let's see if we can find something interesting there. The steps are too tiring. So one thing about Shivanasamudra Waterfalls, it is like around 100 kilometers from Bangalore, and if you have it is 2 hours one way. That was early in the morning when there was no traffic at all, so have that into consideration. And the view here, water flow is actually good and high, so make sure you come during if kind of it's raining or the weather is damp, so that definitely there might be water. I'm not sure in other times how it is. And the accessibility is very good. Very near the viewpoint we have a parking, and we have steps still there. You might have seen scenes from the those spots. The place is cool. The route on the way is also very nice. So if you have around half day and you need a place to roam around Bangalore, this will be one of the greatest options. And yeah, on the way, if there's something interesting, you'll definitely be seeing in this video. Otherwise, we are closing for now. And yeah, forgot to say welcome back. It's been a very long time since we had our last video. The thing is, I usually take videos only when I am alone or when I am with a lesser crowd. I did travel in between, but I had a very bigger crowd, so I didn't take much of a video. So after this, whenever I explore, I'll make sure to show some place around like here. So yeah.